Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The National Museum of American History is where the abstract idea of a nation becomes something you can touch and see. It houses the artifacts that have defined the American experience, from the original Star-Spangled Banner to the innovations that sparked the Industrial Age. It's a place that captures the messy, brilliant, and constantly evolving story of a people, showing how individual dreams and collective struggles have shaped the world we live in today.
We put a Pac-Man game in our fraternity house.
My leg cramped. Good old big time. He's looking at the books. There you go.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.